In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move picture in WPS Office. Working with images on a mobile device can sometimes feel limiting, especially when a picture does not stay where you want it. In this video, I will guide you through the correct way to insert a picture and then move it freely inside your document using WPS Office on mobile. Once you understand how this works, adjusting your layout becomes much easier and more precise. To begin, you first need to add a picture to your document. Make sure your file is already open and in editing mode. At the bottom of the screen, look for the picture icon and tap it. This will allow you to choose the image you want to use. Browse through your photos and select the picture you plan to insert. Once selected, the image will be placed directly into your document. After the picture is inserted, make sure it is selected. You will know the picture is selected when you see gray circles appear around the edges of the image. These circles indicate that the image is active and ready to be edited. If you do not see them, simply tap the picture once to select it. With the picture selected, look for the Wrap option. Tap Wrap to open the available text wrapping settings. These options control how the image interacts with the text in your document. To allow the picture to move freely, change the setting to either behind text or in front of text. This step is very important because without adjusting the wrap setting, the picture will stay locked in place and be difficult to reposition. Once the wrap option is set, you can now move the picture. Long press on the image until you see a clear indication that it is movable. This usually appears as a slight visual change or movement cue on the screen. After that, keep pressing and gently drag the picture to the location where you want it to be placed. As you move the image, take your time to align it properly with your text and layout. You can reposition it multiple times until it looks balanced and fits well within the document. This method gives you full control over where the picture appears on the page, making your document look cleaner and more organized. By following these steps, you can easily insert and move pictures in WPS Office on mobile without struggling with fixed layouts. This is especially useful for reports, letters, and any document that needs visual elements placed exactly where you want them. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.